Welcome back, viewers, to another episode of Bishop's DIY Auto Repair. I hope everybody's having a great day out there. Go ahead and leave it down in the comments how your day's going. I'd like to hear about it. Today we're going to be changing out the headlight bulbs in a 2013 Chevy Duramax 2500 HT with the turbo diesel 8-cylinder. So let's go ahead and jump right into that and show you guys how that's done. But before we go and do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss another one of my videos, and also hit that like button because it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm and it'll help someone else come across this in the future as well. With that out of the way, let's go and jump into the clip. Alrighty, so in order to do the light bulbs, you do need to take out the air filter on the passenger side. You got a screw there. You need to wiggle this off of the air intake. You got one wire that clips up here, and you've got another one that clips into the air filter, or if you got one that clips in over here, just kind of make it more room, give you more room. With this clip here, you need to pull this tab out. Might need a screwdriver to kind of help force it out a little bit more, and then you can just wiggle that off. Your air intake sits in like that, and that snorkel tube goes in there. There's one of where your wires connect, and also right here. So you've got those two connections, and they've got this screw and this screw, and then you can pull this out. And then this, I actually ended up pulling out those two bolts, and I did not need to. So these just have a little rubber grommets thing. You just pull it out. It's going to take a little bit of force, just kind of wiggle, and it should pop out of there. Okay, and the bolt's going to be right there. You just twist it to the left, it'll pop out of there. The wire, which is right down here, so it just has a little push button on there. Pull it out, then you can twist that bulb out and it'll come right out of there. Let's go ahead and get the new bulb in. Alright, and then with these bulbs, you want to make sure you get gloves. If any of your oils from your hands get on there, cause the bulb to go out faster, so make sure you wear gloves when putting the bulb in. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and stick the bulb back in there. Well, be careful not to hit the bulb on anything. I'll line it up and then go and twist it and lock it in place. Okay, go and plug your wire back in. Alright, let's go ahead and throw this back in. It's just going to snap right on in.
Look at all you've learned from this truck.
Yeah, ain't sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
Learning is always good.
Alright, so shove that back in its hole there.
You know, most people won't allow me to hold the camera.
Huh? Hey, I think we're getting somewhere now. I hope.
You tell me you already got the bulb in?
Yes, I got the bulb in.
Okay.
Oh, I got snapped. It snapped in. Woohoo. Yeah, just snap in like that. Okay, cut. Alright, so there's those latches down there. We're going to slip this in there. Move this stuff out of the way. Put the air filter in first.
Yeah, well.
You know, now that the air filter's in, now we can go and set this back down in here.
Dude, I love this design for Headlight. You'd be shot in the head.
Hey, it's your good old boy Chevy. You got everything down in there where it's supposed to be. Oh fuck. Get in the hole. Make sure I actually got latched in there. Yeah, that looks good to me. Alright. Hook on the hose. Well, at least they did something, right? At least you don't have to try to remember which goes where. Yeah, they're all separate plugs, so you can just plug them right in. Don't fit, move on to the next plug. Alright, for the driver's side bulb, we're going to want to go ahead and remove this battery. Hey, don't fall back down on that. God damn it, you're hard to get that far up in the first place.
You gotta undo that little clip on the side.
Oh, like down there?
Yeah.
You know, I knew that.
Little clip down there. Only reason I know that's because Sam on my boat.
Well, I really Dude, are you serious?
You just have to loosen.
That's another thing. It should not be a 2-hour process for light bulbs and an hour job to remove a battery. Hey, look at that. I can just move it out of the way.
Mom knows a little something from her.
Alright, so down in there is your bulb. So we're going to reach behind this power washing fluid and try to access that bulb there. And try to get the light out. Maybe without... God, there's so much frame in the way.
Sturdy built truck, man.
Then there's just a clip right there. And then there's the notch that goes on it. So again, make sure you wear gloves. You don't want to get any oil on this. And when you're putting it in there, be careful not to hit it on anything. Oh yeah. Perfect. Go and twist it in there and it just twists out as well.
Obviously horsed around with Chevys before.
Battery back in. Move the negative out of the way. Alrighty, viewers. That is how you change out the headlight bulbs in your 2013 Chevy Duramax. The 2500 HD with the 8-cylinder turbo diesel in it. Hope this helped you guys out. If it did, go and let me know down in the comments below. And also, hit that subscribe button if you found this information helpful and you want to learn how to save money working on your own vehicles without having to pay those expensive high repair costs. So with that out of the way, have a great day, and we'll catch you in the next repair.